Hello, it's Adam from the Mortgage Hub. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the state of the market. I'm often asked what interest rates are going to do, and if you'd asked me that question 2 or 3 months ago, I'd have said interest rates would continue to come down. Then, of course, a bit like 2022, everything goes sideways and interest rates, they've shot up. Good news on the horizon is that interest rates do look like they're going to start becoming a bit more stable. They do look like they're going to come down. But why would they suddenly come down? So I just wanted to give you sort of an overview and an understanding of how it actually works. You see, people assume the Bank of England changes their interest rate and it directly influences their mortgage rate. But this isn't necessarily true. I'll get calls and emails from clients of mine, happy to answer them, but as soon as the Bank of England change interest rates, they'll say, is that going to affect my mortgage? Well, the honest answer is no, it won't directly affect your mortgage if you're on a fixed rate mortgage. If you're just researching options at the moment, then what happens is that the swap rate is actually what dictates what mortgage rate you're likely to get at any given time. And the swap rates are based on sentiment. It's based on what people think are going to happen. So go back a couple of months ago, it was assumed that interest rates would come down, and then there was a problem with Iran and the markets reacted in a negative way. They assumed that the costs were going to go up, and so the cost of them obtaining money went up, and they immediately passed that on to us. There was a fear that the Bank of England, instead of reducing rates, would actually need to increase rates to control inflation and to control unemployment and wider aspects of the economy. But in the last few weeks, that fear has subsided a little, and so the swap rates have actually come down a little, and we're starting to see lenders already reducing interest rates. Here at the Mortgage Hub, what we will do is we'll make sure that you've got the best rate from start to finish. So we'll discuss with you what rates are available today. We can secure a mortgage today, but then if interest rates do improve before your mortgage actually starts, we'll look at revising that and trying to make sure that we've got the best rate available for you up until completion. So if you're thinking about moving home, buying property, or even remortgaging at the moment, or you just want to know what is happening, then give us a call at the Mortgage Hub on 0121 323 4999.